Are you ready to make some serious money? Because I'm talking stocks ready to break out, stocks ready to launch into the stratosphere. We're talking about serious gains, people, the kind of gains that can change your life. Forget about those penny stocks and meme stocks. Those are for amateurs. We're looking at real companies with real earnings and real potential for explosive growth. So buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the market, and by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to make some serious money. What if I told you there are stocks on the brink of a major breakout? Today, I'm revealing the top stocks that are ready to explode in value. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special surprise worth 21,000 rupees just for you. Let's dive in. First up, we're diving headfirst into the energy sector with ONGC. That's Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, trading at 332 rupees and 55 paise with a 3.05% gain today. Now, I love energy stocks, and ONGC is a behemoth, a titan of the industry. They're one of the biggest players in the entire sector, and let me tell you, they're sitting on a gold mine. Listen, global energy prices are soaring and demand is through the roof. Everyone needs energy, from your neighbor with the electric car to those massive factories churning out goods. And ONGC is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this insatiable demand. But here's the kicker. ONGC has rock-solid fundamentals. Their balance sheet is strong, their earnings are consistent, and their management team knows how to get things done. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. This is a blue-chip company with a proven track record of success. And let's not forget about the Indian government's push for energy independence. They're investing heavily in domestic energy production, and ONGC is a key beneficiary of this strategic initiative. When energy prices are rising, these stocks can skyrocket. And with ONGC's strong fundamentals and favorable market conditions, I'm betting on a big move to the upside. This isn't just a trade, it's a long-term investment in India's energy future. So, if you want to ride the wave of rising energy prices, ONGC is a stock you need to have in your portfolio. Next up, we're marching into the high-stakes world of defense with Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL for short. They're trading at 302 rupees and 20 paise with a 1.32% gain. And let me tell you, this stock is locked and loaded for explosive growth. Now, I know what you're thinking. Defense? Isn't that a little, well, intense? And you know what? It is. But that intensity translates into big profits. Because when it comes to defense, governments spare no expense. BEL is the leading supplier of defense electronics to the Indian Armed Forces. We are talking radar systems, communication equipment, electronic warfare systems, the works. And with India's growing economy and its strategic importance in the region, defense spending is only going up. The government is committed to modernizing its armed forces, and BEL is at the forefront of this modernization drive. They're developing cutting-edge technologies that give India a strategic edge, and their order book is overflowing. But it's not just about India. BEL is also making inroads into the global defense market. They're exporting their products to countries all over the world, and their reputation for quality and innovation is spreading like wildfire. Now, I know some of you are squeamish about investing in defense, but let me ask you this. Do you want to bet against a company that's providing critical equipment to the Indian Armed Forces? I don't think so. BEL is a company with a bright future. They're at the forefront of a growing industry, they have a strong track record of success, and they're backed by the Indian government. If you're looking for a stock that can deliver explosive growth, BEL is a target you can't miss. Alright folks, let's talk about power. And I'm not talking about the kind that comes from lifting weights. I'm talking about the kind that powers our homes, our businesses, our entire country. And that's where Power Finance Corporation Limited, or PFC, comes in. PFC is a financial powerhouse, funding critical power projects across India. With India's growing energy needs, PFC is in the driver's seat. They're financing the infrastructure to make it all happen. And with a major push towards renewable energy, PFC is at the forefront. They're investing in solar, wind, and hydropower, reaping the rewards. Green energy is the future, and PFC is positioning itself as a major player. So, if you're looking for a stock that can power up your portfolio, PFC is a company you need to plug into. Listen up, because we're going digging for profits with Vedanta Limited, VEDL for short. They're trading at 428 rupees and 85 paise with a 1.55% gain. And let me tell you, this stock is a gold mine waiting to be unearthed. Vedanta is a global giant in the mining and metal sector, We're talking about essential commodities like zinc, lead, silver, aluminum, the building blocks of modern industry. And with global demand for these commodities soaring, Vedanta is sitting on a mountain of potential profits. Now, I love commodity stocks because their fortunes are tied to the global economy. When the economy is booming, demand for commodities skyrockets and these stocks take off like a rocket. And guess what? The global economy is in recovery mode and demand for commodities is through the roof. Vedanta is a low-cost producer, which means they can generate huge profits even when commodity prices are relatively low. But here's the best part. Commodity prices are anything but low right now. They're surging higher and Vedanta is raking in the cash. But it's not just about rising commodity prices. Vedanta is also a master of efficiency. They're constantly finding ways to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and boost production. And let's not forget about India's insatiable appetite for raw materials. As India continues to industrialize and develop its infrastructure, demand for Vedanta's products will only increase. Now, some of you might be thinking, Jim, mining stocks are cyclical. And you know what? You're right. But Vedanta is at the beginning of a major upcycle. The stars are aligned for this company to deliver massive profits, and I'm betting big on their success. Hold on tight because we're about to ride the coal train to riches with Coal India Limited, Coal India for short. Coal India is the 800-pound gorilla of the Indian coal industry. They're the biggest player in the game, responsible for producing the lion's share of India's coal. And with India's energy demands skyrocketing, Coal India is sitting on a mountain of black gold. Because the truth is, coal is still the backbone of India's energy sector. It's what keeps the lights on, the factories humming, and the economy growing. Now, some of you might be thinking, Jim, isn't the coal industry in decline? And you know what? In some parts of the world, yes, but not in India. India's demand for coal is growing, not shrinking. And Coal India is the only game in town. Key. There you have it, folks. 5 stocks that are primed for a breakout. These companies are firing on all cylinders. They're riding powerful macroeconomic trends, and their stock prices are about to explode. Now is the time to get in before these stocks blast off to the stratosphere. And don't forget about that special surprise I promised you. We are giving away 21,000 rupees worth of financial calculators to help you crunch the numbers and make smart investment decisions. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, send a screenshot to WhatsApp 91132-11787 and claim your prize. But that's not all, because we're also offering a special discount on our exclusive How to Automate Trades course. This course is usually priced at 7,000 rupees, but for a limited time, you can get it for just 99 rupees. That's right, just 99 rupees to learn the secrets of automated trading and take your investing to the next level. The link is in the description below, so don't miss out. Host. So there you have it. 5 stocks that are on the brink of a breakout. These stocks are set to explode, and now is the time to get in. And as promised, here's that special surprise. 21,000 rupees worth of financial calculators just for you. All you need to do is subscribe, send a screenshot to WhatsApp 91132-11787 and claim your prize. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights that can help you stay ahead of the market. Also, check out our How to Automate Trades course, originally priced at 7,000 rupees, but available for just 99 rupees for a limited time. The link is in the description. Start trading smart today.